Hey guys, and welcome again to my channel. So these are all my belongings, and so I'm transferring to another accommodation which is near Musharrif. Basically, the company has told us to transfer there, and where I stay currently, which is Isdan 20. So here they are not gonna renew the contract. So either they gave us two choice, either to move out of the company accommodation or to stay with the company. So I chose to stay with the company, and so we'll be transferring to Musharrif. And let me give you a quick small tour of this accommodation of ground staff. So okay guys, so this is hall. Basically it's kind of messed up right now, and this is TV and that lamp, and here we have kitchen, fridge, and some compartments to store stuff. And this is my room. So it's kind of empty now. And this is the wardrobe. So today evening I'll be going to Musharrif accommodation, and I'll be giving you all the walk tour of that accommodation as well. So guys, everything is done, and now I'm waiting for the inspection. They told me they'll be coming in another like 20 to 25 minutes. So I'm just waiting for that, and obviously if there is any damage they are gonna deduct from my salary, but I don't think there is any damage in this flat, so I'm on the safer side. So guys, finally I'm leaving this accommodation now. Just going there near the entrance. My Uber is come there, and I have to get him in, and also I have to submit this housing document to the security. This is my Uber. Bro, inside. Come inside.
आपने बुक की?
So guys, our accommodation is very strict. It's not easy to enter inside. So the security is taking all his details. This is the accommodation where I stayed for more than 1 year, and now it's time to say goodbye to this accommodation. सीधा सीधा जाओ. वो लड़का रुका है ना. Here is my friend waiting. So we both are gonna go together from here.
पहले वो डाले, ये तो सीट पे रख के. फाइनली हम मेजदान खाली कर रहे हैं अब.
गाइस, अभी सब सामान अंदर डाल चुके हैं और अभी निकलने वाले हैं मुशर्रफ की ओर. सो मैं थोड़ा नर्वस भी हूँ और एक्साइटेड भी हूँ नए अकोमोडेशन में जाने के लिए. So finally we are leaving Isdan and we are going to our new accommodation. आमिर, कैसा लग रहा है भाई, बता.
अच्छा लग रहा है. तकलीफ तो हो रहा है फिलहाल कि हम लोग छोड़ के जा रहे हैं इस्तान, क्योंकि 2 साल रहे थे हम लोग इधर. तो बहुत अच्छा फीलिंग था इधर. अब जा रहे हैं, चलो.
So this security is gonna check if we have taken any property accommodation.
Microwave at the box?
No microwave, bro.
No microwave, huh?
Everything is our property. No Qatar Airways accommodation property. Thank you. Guys, देखिए जहाँ पे हम लोग रह रहे थे वहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं है, रेत ही रेत है हर जगह. सामान कुछ ज़्यादा ही हो गया पीछे. Guys, so अभी हम लोग दोनों बात कर रहे थे. We both were selected for cabin crew, and after submitting all the documents and बस ऑन बोर्ड बुलाने की उनकी देर थी, तो ऑलमोस्ट हमारा सब कुछ हो गया था, बट आवर मैनेजमेंट डिड नॉट परमिट अस, सो वी आर स्टक अगेन. एंड आई वाज जस्ट टेलिंग हिम टू be positive and we'll apply again next time, and hopefully we'll get to fly. Basically there is a shortage of staff, so the management did not allow us to join the cabin crew team. So yeah.
फाइनली हम लोग अभी गाइस पहुंचने वाले हैं हमारे न्यू अकोमोडेशन पे, मुशर्रफ 110. सो
भाई मेरे को ऐसा
वेरी नाइस अकोमोडेशन, ऑल द मार्केट एरिया.
Okay, so finally here we have market and stuff like that. So guys, done getting all the stuff down. So अभी हम लोग लेके जाने ऊपर. So guys, this is gonna be our new accommodation. Seems like this is a big hotel or something. और यहाँ पे देखिए. Okay guys, so सभी सामान अंदर ला दिए हैं और अभी बस थोड़ा पेपर वर्क करना है. So we will do the paper work now. गाइस अभी मैं जा रहा हूँ 5th फ्लोर पे. अभी कुछ और बैग्स बचे हुए हैं, उनको मैं लेके जाऊँगा थोड़ी देर में. So guys, I've finally done setting up my things and now I'll be giving you all a quick walk tour of this new accommodation. Guys, this is the living area and this is the small dining table and this is the sofa, TV, and this is a balcony which is a little bit small, and this is the view from the balcony guys. I'm at the 5th floor and the view from the 5th floor is somewhat like this. The hall is really good. I really like the ambience of this hall. And here they have some sticker sort of things which is looking really good. So this thing is coming off. But if you see from far, this looks like a painting. This is kitchen. Guys, the kitchen here is really good as compared to the previous accommodation. This one is really good furnished. So guys, now finally I'll be showing you my room, which is shared actually. So guys, this is my room. And here is my things I removed from the box and I filled it in the wardrobe. It's kind of mess. I have not arranged it properly. I've just placed them. And yeah. So this is a shared bedroom actually. This is my bed and I don't know who's that person. So once he comes, then I'll come to know who's that. And let's see the view from this window. So guys, just check this view from my room. So guys, अभी मैं जा रहा हूँ नीचे और नीचे जाके एक्सप्लोर करूँगा कुछ places. So I get familiarized with this place. So in this accommodation we have a lift. So now I'll be taking a lift from here. In the previous one we had no facility of lift. पता नहीं क्यों गाइज मुझे फीलिंग ऐसे आ रही है कि मैं किसी होटल में हूँ और रूम बुक किया है मैंने कुछ दिन के लिए, ऐसा मुझे फीलिंग आ रहा है. So guys, once I tap on the machine, then only the gate will open if I have to go out. This is my accommodation and I just came out just opposite of my accommodation. This is Oyo Plaza Hotel Apartments, and there is Indian Grill House, Indian restaurant. So guys, everywhere here there is restaurants and basically it's a market kind of place. So guys, in this place there is a lot of crowds and it's kind of very noisy. So it will take me some time to get adjusted to this environment. So guys, this is a fish counter here. and this is exchange to exchange currencies. Guys, basically next to my accommodation everywhere there is shops, so basically everything is available very close by. And but one facilities we don't have here is that we don't have a metro bus to drop to metro, so I'm just looking where is the nearest metro from here. I asked someone and he told me that the metro station is about 12 to 15 minutes walk, which is for me it's a little far from my accommodation, and to walk every time to the metro station it will be very difficult for me, especially in this hot and humid climate. So guys, now I'm looking for restaurant to take some parcel because I'm really very hungry. So guys, this is Indian restaurant, and the ambience of this restaurant is looking good. So guys, I did some grocery shopping and I purchased chicken biryani because today I'm really tired and I won't be cooking. So I took chicken biryani for tonight. Okay guys, so I'm back home now. So now I'll be going to take a quick shower and I shall end my vlog here. I know this vlog was very short and simple, but yes, that's pretty much from this video guys. Thank you so much for watching and bye bye.